Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk in the video about transplanting seedlings from their first environment to a second environment, whether a separate pot or in the open soil or an open ground. Is it possible to transplant seedlings in September? Yes, of course. September and October in Tunisia are warm months, but with moderate temperature. So it's a very good time to transplant seedlings and move them to bigger pots or to a separate place where the plant can grow uh, in a normal environment and will grow big and healthy. So let's watch the video together. These are basil seedlings. They grew from seeds. As you can see, they are in a way crowded in the pots because here when I threw seeds, so I threw them at random. Now the seedlings are ready to be transplanted to separate pots. I'm going to transplant them, and of course we have some steps that we are going to follow. First, I watered the pots well, make the pots wet, so when we take off the seedlings, we do not harm the roots as they are still vulnerable. And we do this with all seedlings of our plants. One way is to, when they are crowded, they're close together, so the best way is to soak them in water and leave them for some time, so that when we take the seedlings, they are easy to take them out. So all we need here, we need pots, and we make sure that there are holes in the pots so that water can come through this. Any pot that we use in planting any types of seedlings, we have to make sure that we make those holes. Otherwise we'll have some trouble with the roots, and the roots can rot easily. We need here this potting mix, which is sandy, some sand, organic matter, and some perlite. And here are the seedlings. We'll try to take the bigger ones that are ready to be taken out, and we leave the smaller ones till they grow a little bit bigger. Again, make sure with every pot that there are holes here that can let the water out, or the excess water to go out, as when we grow our plants in closed environments like pots, this is a very important issue that we have to make sure we do it. This one is already transplanted moments ago. I was thinking that the camera was recording, but found out it was not. Put some stones or to cover the holes, but still they can water can go through. But we put some stones so that the soil doesn't go out of the pot. Most of the time, the mixing pot should be a light one, because in pots we need the roots to be aerated, and the water can be evacuated easily. Some more of this mixing pot or potting mix. So it's ready now to uh, take out the seedling and put it in this pot, as we did with the first one. This one is big enough to be taken off. Take it with its roots without harming them. It's already soaked in water. So don't worry, we are not going to harm it, and it's not going to be harmed anyway. Just the the potting mix is already humid, and we put it in its place. We try to press the soil to take the air out, and to help the seedling take its place and be fixed there. All the time we press the soil to fix the seedling in its place. And the last step, which is very important, is to water them well. Water them till water comes out of the holes underneath the pot. This is all the time. The first watering should be abundant enough. Wait till water goes out of the holes. Make sure that all parts of the pot are wet and watered well. This is an important step with all seedlings of any kind. Every time when we transplant, watering is very, very important. Don't leave your seedling unwatered. It should be watered, and we make sure water goes out, and there is no obstacle that can prevent water from overflow. This is a very important, very essential step in this process of transplanting seedlings from one environment into another. After all, it's a movement from one environment into another, and we try to make the transplantation shock as in a way invisible as possible, and try to make the plant unaware of this transplantation from one place to into another. Anyway, the weather is nice. It's not very hot. So this is September, and September here in Tunisia, it's a moderate month with moderate temperature. This kind of basil is the Mediterranean basil or Italian basil. We do the same with the other seedlings. We take all the big enough seedlings, and we leave the smaller ones for some other time till they grow a little bit bigger. So the same process, watering, very important, don't forget that. So it's already done. So here I have transplanted some of them, and I left the smaller ones for some future time. See water here, it overflows in out of the pot. I said this is Italian basil or Mediterranean basil. It's very it has nice smell and nice flavor. It is used in dishes like spaghetti, pasta, and other Mediterranean dishes. We have some other seedlings. I'm going to transplant them after recording this video. Just showed you examples of how to. This is a jujube tree, and it has a fruit here. It's ripe. It changes color from green into brown, which means that it's ripe. See the jujube tree. It is planted in a pot. Okay, so it's over. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends and your beloved ones. See you in another video.